It's been great. I think one of it is rare that you find such high quality people to talk to who are really interested in partnering with us as startups. They're not here just to learn, they're here to actively look for projects with us. And it's been a first for me that I find 6, 7 very interesting companies that have that same attitude. So I couldn't have asked for more.
Really liked the event. It was great. A lot of interesting people. Organization was far from perfect, very good, and everything was smooth, productive, and fruitful. A lot of useful connections, conversations there, and please continue to do it. Continue. Let's make it.